Hi,
Hello,
I'm Richie,
this is Mer.
and today we're gonna show you another kata, and it's a dictionary replacer. So this kata is about making a simple string replacer. We'll create a method that takes a string and a dictionary and replaces every key in the dictionary pre and suffix to the dollar sign with the corresponding value from the dictionary.
So let's start.
Yeah, so first we're gonna make a task class named
Dictionary.
dictionary replacer test there. So I'm gonna make a test public.
So let's test if our test class will work.
Yeah, so we're gonna first create a method named public void no nothing. So there.
Edit some configurations. Let
We are test dictionary replacer test. Okay.
and run it.
Run it and
By the way, we're still using the three-way cycle: the red, green, and refactor.
yeah, so there, green. So let's erase this.
Yeah, maybe just change the method name.
Yup. We're gonna make another method that will determine if we can create a class, right?
Yes.
So let's
Our class will be a dictionary replacer.
so dictionary replacer
Replacer, maybe instantiate it into our replacer so that
replacer.
it will be shortened.
Yeah, right. Dictionary replacer. So what do you observe, Mer?
I think expectedly it would be red because we still don't make our.
Yeah, so let's create
It's okay.
a class dictionary replacer.
So there we don't have red anymore.
So we're gonna run this.
Yeah, but obviously it would be green because there's no red anymore.
Oh,
So next is, now that we have a class, I think now that we have a class, so I think we'll start. So the simplest way of testing it is that maybe our input will be an empty string.
yeah. So let's create a method named what?
Testing no variable or what? Testing empty input. I don't know.
So is empty input or what?
Testing something. Testing
Yeah, testing.
empty input.
Yeah, testing empty input. So there, and then
Instantiate our dictionary replacer.
instantiate dictionary
So there is
replacer.
already a duplication of code, and I will see that later on.
Yeah, you're so very bright, man. So there.
And next is that we will have a string
A string named
input
yeah input
was
was
just an empty something.
yeah and then
And
string
I think we need here a dictionary, right? So will
yeah
have a method that will test that will accept a both string and dictionary.
Yeah,
So
so
what we will do, Chi? If we want a dictionary, we will need a,
hash map, I
so
think. Yeah, so
we'll define our hash map here.
yeah, so let's put some map, and then
String something, because both our something key and values will be string.
string, and then dictionary, and then new hash map, string,
String,
string.
string.
So there,
And we're gonna put values.
gonna put values.
So even though our input is an empty string, but we still have to put something in our dictionary.
Yeah, so dictionary dot put gonna be
We drink, then coffee.
yeah, let's try drink and then coffee. Let's just try this. That's it.
Yeah.
So
So let's assert.
yeah, so gonna
Assert
do
equals that. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
assert equals
Our expected, of course, our expected output would be also an empty something.
yeah.
So
So
dictionary, please. What's dictionary? So we'll put our result there. String result is equal to replacer that
yeah,
replace.
right. So string result. So oops. Mm, string result
Equals replacer that
dictionary. What's gonna be
replacer
replacer replacer
that replace
dot replace answer then okay replace and then
replace
input
input
dictionary.
dictionary. So why we have red there is that because we don't have a method, right?
Yeah, so there.
So just okay with that. And maybe we'll just change that into it's okay. You think? Yeah,
Change that into
it's just okay.
yeah, it's just okay with this input and
Let's
then
see.
let's see run it and oh we haven't
Oh yeah, that's true.
we
But
haven't
you're so very careless. We're still amateurs in TDD anyways. Amateurs? We're novice. What's that?
well whatever we're just
Beginners.
happen
Now the difference is that
yeah. So what actually happened, Mer?
we in our dictionary replacer we returned null, but actually it
Yeah,
was not a null. We just returned an empty string.
yeah, exactly.
So
So we're gonna change this. We're gonna
we will just have to say that's an output. So we just return output or something. So that
because
yes. So our output is red, so
so
we
let's
clear that over there.
create
Field output. That's true.
yeah. So
We should initialize there the output. Okay, so maybe it's okay. Equals.
equals.
So let's see.
So that's it.
maybe.
Great.
Okay,
So
we're good.
next. So
So,
next.
what if our output is we will have a single variable in our input? So,
Okay, so
so
okay, so we're gonna make another method. It's gonna be gonna have to test single variable here.
yes, adjusting single variable.
So test, gonna test
Actually,
single variable.
this variable means or the keys wherein they are the keys that begins with a dollar sign and ends with a dollar sign.
Yeah, so that's it.
But wait, before anything else, we still have to refactor, right? We have
Oh yeah, we forgot that we have duplicate code around. So this gonna refactor this, right?
yeah,
Refactor, extract, field,
and set up
setup.
there, and maybe your concrete class is already good,
Yeah.
so
So
just we don't need that anymore.
there.
And then
So
there,
there.
run it again, please.
Run it again.
Let's just make
Oh,
makes sense.
nice. So we're gonna have to complete
I
this
think
method.
we still have again to string input define our input,
Yeah, string input again. Input.
which will contain a single variable. So in our example,
Yeah.
it will be coffee.
Yeah, so we're gonna put some coffee here and then
Coffee, and then so we will have again our dictionary.
yeah. So dictionary.
Oh, I mean, okay, maybe it's not. Just change our dictionary. Just put the value of the key there, drink, to make it uniform in the other. So yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
we'll make our map something.
yeah, map, string, string, dictionary, dictionary equals new dash there. Next,
So define our dictionary, put some values on it. So dictionary that put
dictionary dot put what are we gonna put?
drink, coffee.
Drink,
So our key there is the
coffee.
drink, and the replacer is the coffee.
Yeah,
So
so
next is string result. Whether if we will ask now if our replacer will be good. Replacer that replace input dictionary.
input, dictionary,
There. Then we will assert
assert equals. What are we gonna expect?
it would be coffee.
Yeah, it is coffee, so
It will be the
result. That's it.
Yes, yes. And we will run it. Is it running? It's not running, it's walking.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to run it again. Ooh, what just happened, Mervin?
In our actual, we are expecting for a coffee, but in our actual, we just return nothing. We just return our output.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to.
So we will have to, our input, we will get our keys, right?
Yeah,
So
let's
input, let's string key something. String key
string key.
is equal to input dot substring. So we'll get the values inside the dollar sign.
Yeah, so what's this?
Input that index
Input dot
of
index of
the dollar sign. Perfect dollar sign.
that, and
Plus
then
one.
plus one, and
And
then
input that
input
plus there.
plus index of dollar sign. There, right?
Yeah. So next is we will replace it for a
Yeah.
string. So key
Key plus key dot replace key dictionary dot get
and return key. No, no, no. Or just put it output equals key. So just put it output. Although this is useless, but this will be solved later.
yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Running.
Range minus one. What is range minus one?
There is something wrong.
So in here we have a something wrong.
Yeah. So
So before that, I think so we have what's wrong with this input that substring input that index of plus
what's
one. There's
wrong?
nothing wrong in here, man.
Yeah, I think so. Also,
The key equals key that it is key dictionary. Replacer, where's the replacer? This is not so replacer with the this this one. So we have a red because we, what if we will put an empty string? So what we will do is that we will have a handler for it, right?
yeah.
So if input
So let's try
input
input
dot
dot
line
length is
less
less
than
than or equal
equal
to
to 0.
0,
Return output.
return output.
No, yeah, return output. Because if the string is empty, meaning you just have to return the empty, nothing else. Else,
Else,
else do this. So,
so let's run it.
there is again there. What is this? So our input is copy, and then our dictionary is wrong. Ah, just put this string first because we're still on the verge of testing a single variable.
Yeah, so there,
That
finally.
problem will be handled later. So next, now that we can have a single variable test, we will go to what if we are now ready for a sentence and it will contain a double variable.
Yeah,
So
so let's create another method called
and another way, so that one I just
so we're gonna test double variable.
testing
Test double variable.
So to make it simple, we'll just first we will change our order. So we will define first our map.
Yeah, map string.
So in that you can refactor, but this part to make it just short of it. It's okay just not to refactor it. It depends upon to you. If you want to refactor it, then refactor it.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. So string.
And then put, since we are now testing we are testing double variables, so we'll put two values
Yeah,
in our dictionary. So
dictionary dot
drink coffee and cool drink coffee,
drink coffee and then dictionary
cold,
dictionary
cold and cool.
yeah.
So
There. Next we're gonna have to
next is we will call our
yeah we will
I we
call
will
our
we will we will set our input. So string input is equal to, why are we so no, our voice are so tired, like
yeah
so boring.
input
Let's
is
put some alive alert awake there. So
what's
our
gonna be the
input
input?
is drink. No, I don't understand.
Yeah, drink
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 is cold.
drink is cold.
So our result an alive alert awakened to see a stick. An alive
String result is
Dictionary, a replacer that replace input dictionary in the semicolon and assert that we are expecting that coffee is cool. Oh, isn't it? Coffee is cool.
Isn't it, Mer? Coffee is
And
cool. Or is it this is the cold or hot?
No, it's good. I changed that.
Sounds so odd. Let's say it's so hot. Coffee is hot.
Change there. No. No, it's okay. Cold. No, cold.
Yes. So, oops, I changed it. So it's gonna be hot.
You change. I'm changing.
I changed it. There.
Okay.
This is result. So run.
Coffee is
Run.
cool.
Run. Ooh.
No, that's yours. Errors. This that again.
What's the error? Gonna have to fix this. All over again.
So as you can see, there's something error in our dictionary replacer, and that would be this. Since we already have a two variables, so what we will do for that is we have to um we will powers our input and split that.
Yes. So, uh, so what?
So just here, so we will make ichapara to this first. So we'll just comment this out for a while. So we will, I think we need to have this is just to replace keys. This is just for a preparation because, it's tiresome to go back to one. So
Input
dictionary. That's cool, dictionary.
dictionary. That's right. Out inner.
So in our replace keys, we will have a
String input. So it's the
so we'll have our local variable line.
yeah. So we're gonna make a string line equals
So tokens equals u dot split, and that tokens is in
is
our
input that split, right?
and use the space as a delimiter.
Yeah.
Why are we so boring? Why we'll make our voices louder?
Yeah. So it's gonna do with
So
tokens.
that's a string array. Put it there. That's it, right? That's it, right? Enter. Okay. My navigator is so my driver is so
Yeah.
so
So
for I
for
int I.
for int I equals 0, I
So after splitting our input is we're going to access our array of our tokens, and we will identify each of the words of whether it is a key or not. So this may not be the optimized solution, but maybe that's our idea.
Yeah.
So this line is equal to tokens that tokens I. Tokens I is very bad.
Tokens
So if if if
if
if
if oops.
we will
Oops.
ask if this if the line is a key, right?
Oops.
So if 9 dot car at maybe if 9 dot car at
If 9 dot
0. So it is automatic that in our words, so we have our car at, if there is a dollar sign on it, so the car at 0 and the end of it is also a dollar sign, so it means it is a key.
yeah, so that
Line that length minus 1 equal
dollar sign.
so if it will happen again, we will have another key, another ano. So we will have a, what will happen to that is we will get our key. What's the problem with this?
Wait, outside. So,
So there, if we will define our key here again. So our key will be, so I think this method here above will be of use already. So key input that substring.
yeah, so let's copy.
Why are we so boring? Ay, boring,
Yeah,
boring,
so
boring. Yeah, wait, wait, wait.
so next is if
We will ask if our key exists in our dictionary being defined there. So if dictionary that contains key. So this method is already defined in our hash map. Contains key there. So if it contains our key, we'll have to replace it. So our key will be key equals key key that replace key dictionary that get key. So this time I will replace our key by our replacer. Key. Ish.
key
Yeah. So there.
there,
And next, after replacing that, of course, we will append our output. So output plus equals key. So plus space. So this space is just for something. And spaces we must preserve our key.
yeah, so next,
So else if output or if output if the key does not exist, we will just put our output
yeah,
a key does not exist, so it will be automatic. So our rule in here is that when a variable or when a key inputted does not exist in our dictionary, it is automatic that we will not replace it. So we will break from our loop if that happens.
Yeah.
And then else our output, if it is not either a key or something, we will just append it automatic to our output. So there, space and there. I think let's do the rabadabang and run it. What is that?
Hmm.
So what is the difference now?
Let's
It
find
is
it.
because that we have our coffee in here is not having a space, but here you will have a space.
Yeah.
So my English is already guava, so we'll just like that. So let's trim something just to make sure
Yeah. Let's trim it.
and run it again. Oh, coffee is hot. A key does not exist. What happened? Coffee is hot, but a key. Why?
There's something wrong.
So let's see. Let's review here. So in our output, we'll delete this. So else replace keys. So in our replace keys, uh, we'll have a string line, and then for int I, what's the wrong in this? What's the wrong? What's the wrong? You know. Mm, it's line that for s something. So it's line that car at 0 or line that car at line. What is the wrong? So key, there's something really wrong here because it is the return. So key is equal to. So our replace string is uh, key is equal to input that substring input that, and it's this is just okay. What's wrong? Eh? So if dictionary that contains key, then key is equal to
Key dot
oh,
key diction.
wait first. We will refactor this first, B, so that it will be clear that angels brought me here. So this method would be, what would be this method? What do we name this? We will just ask if this is a key.
Yes, it is key.
And after that, we'll also have a get key something. Oh, mm.
Get key.
Hmm.
Next.
That replace. She's not the replacement. I know. So there and output key is equal to key. So what is the wrong in here? I really don't know. I have
Yeah.
to trace this all over again. So
Can you run it again?
hmm.
Why is it that the key does not exist?
You have a drink. You're cold. Drink. You're cold. So what key does not exist in here? We'll return down our output doc only. The key or something. Or the line. Our code is ugly now. But this is oh drink. The drink is there, right?
Yeah.
No, no. What if we will return the key? So mom, ay, this is
We
very
haven't.
bad.
Oh, mhm.
Street, restaurant. Wait, it's wrong.
Mhm.
So
So I.
we
Oh,
have to search it out.
yeah, we have.
Where is
What's
a
wrong?
so here? I think it's in our get key because the key is something wrong in it. Why it would be in why
Yeah.
it will not get inside in
I think.
if there. I think this is line, right, Chi?
Yeah, absolutely where. So there, I think
What
it's gonna be
what
right. Oh, green. So right.
oh
So
good.
yeah. So
Okay.
this is gonna be our last test.
Maybe? Maybe. Oh wait. Oh yeah. What if no key exists? We
Yeah.
already have that idea. It's okay. exist.
Oh yes. No key exists.
So we have there already the else part, but we will just test if our input really does not contain a key that does not exist in our dictionary. So we'll just put a cool and drink.
What?
Just copy that way, the three lines.
Yeah.
You cannot refactor that because it has a different usage or
What did I
whatever.
do?
Wait, there's a dummy over there. Just blah 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 blah. Blah. String input is coffee is hot or cold. Drink is cold. Is hot.
Is
Icy.
is cold?
It's cold and damp. Just put it there damp.
Yeah. And
Yes, it's a nonsense. Yes, it does not exist.
so
String result. I'm a live alert, awake, enthusiastic.
Please
There's a lizard in there.
replace input dictionary.
Why your laugh is like that?
So let's assert
You assert there. I didn't want to assert.
a key does not
Exist.
exist. Oh,
Oops, there's a dot there. This will be our last test because the two variables is already enough in testing our 3, 4, 5 variables.
so last oh
Because the actual has a like that, so just put it like that there. An exclamation mark. So I think we're done.
yeah, so
We will reiterate our methods.
yeah.
So we have our class, dictionary replacer class, and we have the methods replace and replace keys, the important methods,
Yeah.
right, Chi?
Yeah.
So our output is the final
Final
string, yeah,
string, yeah.
which is already replaced by the dictionary replacer, right? So our tokens will be the words that will be contained in our input.
Yeah.
And the key is the key in our dictionary.
Yeah, like the drink.
Yes. So in our replace, what did the replace do?
Just replacing the key with the right.
With the values in the
Yeah.
dictionary. And
So,
it will also compare if the key will exist in the dictionary, and will also compare if the input length is greater than 0, right? So that
yes.
it will return the correct value. So there, I think if you want to refactor it more, you can refactor that. You can do that by yourselves. So we're done.
Yeah, so I hope
I hope you have enjoyed our new
to our other kata.
kata.
And that's it. I hope you could understand everything.
Yes, and good day, everyone. Again, this is Mer.
And this is Chi.
Have a good day.
Bye.